Bathtubs can collect all kinds of buildup: soap scum, hard water stains, mildew, even mystery grime. But cleaning it doesn't have to be a back-breaking task. Here's a no-stress guide to getting your bathtub spotless and keeping it that way. Step 1. Clear it out. Take everything out of the tub: shampoo bottles, loofahs, bath toys, soap dishes. This gives you full access to every surface and keeps products from getting in the way. Step 2. Rinse and wet the surface. Use your shower head or a bucket to rinse the tub and loosen surface dirt. A wet surface helps your cleaner work better and makes scrubbing easier. Step 3. Choose the right cleaner. Pick a cleaner based on your tub's material: porcelain or enameled steel. Use a mild abrasive or non-scratch cleanser. Acrylic or fiberglass. Use non-abrasive cleaners to avoid scratches. For heavy grime or mildew, mix equal parts vinegar and dish soap. Let sit for 15 minutes. Step 4. Scrub the tub. Use a sponge, soft bristle brush, or cloth. Start at the top and work down. Pay extra attention to corners and the drain area where grime builds up. For tough spots, sprinkle baking soda, spray with vinegar, let fizz, then scrub. Step 5. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse the entire tub with warm water to wash away all the cleaner and grime. A detachable showerhead helps, but a bucket or large cup works too. Step 6. Dry to prevent mildew. Use a towel or microfiber cloth to wipe the tub dry. Drying helps prevent water spots and mildew, especially in humid bathrooms. Bonus tip: keep it cleaner longer. Rinse and wipe the tub after each use to reduce buildup of soap scum and residue. Switch to liquid body wash instead of bar soap, it leaves less residue. Final thoughts: a sparkling tub makes your whole bathroom feel fresher. With basic supplies and effort, you can keep your tub clean and relaxing. Once it becomes a habit, it won't feel like a chore at all.
No time to clean your... Let Bear Brothers Cleaning handle it. Call 256-633-6332 or visit www.bearbrothcleaning.com for a free quote, because your home deserves to be berry clean.